Hi guys, welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you very much for always having you here. May God bless you all. Yesterday, a meat drama happened in the court. Okay, when Nnamdi Kanu appeared in court, uh, the drama played out at the Federal High Court in Abuja on Tuesday, when the wife of Nnamdi Kanu's younger brother, Mrs. Favor Michael Kanu, had a mobile phone confiscated by the presiding judge for allegedly attempting to record a live video during court proceedings. So, speaking with an ABN TV correspondent shortly after the incident, Mrs. Kanu explained that the court session had already ended though, and the matter had been adjourned to April 2nd before she began the live video on her phone. So they have seized my phone. The judge seized my phone and threatened to charge me with contempt for recording, she said in frustration, adding in a Facebook post, "Well, my phone is gone." Despite her explanation that she did not record during active court proceedings, the judge reportedly maintained that recording within the courtroom premises without permission remains a violation of court rules and decorum. A warning of possible contempt charges was also issued. So the session was part of the ongoing legal battle involving IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, whose case has drawn both international and national attention. The incident has since sparked mixed reactions online, with IPOB supporters calling the action excessive, while others defended the judge enforcement of court regulations. Meanwhile, in another news headline, the embattled leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has called on the European Union and the United States to conduct an impartial investigation into alleged state-sponsored insecurity in the southeast. So he lamented over the deliberate effort to falsely link IPOB members to fabricate raids in Imo and Anambra State. He expressed his grievances during a meeting with his legal team to address the Nigerian government's alleged attempt to manipulate public opinion ahead of this yesterday trial, on April 29, 2025. So, speaking via a post by a social counsel, Aloy Ejimako, Nnamdi Kanu described these raids as state-sponsored tactics to deflect attention from global campaigns for his release. Okay, guys, so that is what Nnamdi Kanu have said concerning that. So, coming back to what actually happened yesterday in court, apart from this phone seizing and all that, it was drama all true. I meant to say, when we saw masked people who came after decades to testify against Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, after 10 years of delay, we saw first witness testifies on Nnamdi Kanu's arrest. You get. Well, the terrorism trial of Nnamdi Kanu, a separatist campaigning for the secession of Biafra from Nigeria, kicked off on Tuesday at the Federal High Court in Abuja, with the first prosecution witness testifying on the defendant's unflinching stance on self-determination agitation. Earlier on Tuesday, Premier Times reported how trial judge James Omotosho granted the prosecution team permission to shade the identities of witnesses lined up to testify against Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. So the case, featuring terrorism and treasonable felony charges, was originally instituted in 2015 following Mr. Kanu's arrest in Lagos. A major setback have held the case down for almost a decade, making it impossible for the prosecution to call witnesses and present exhibits until Tuesday. So the case started with 4 people initially charged as Nnamdi Kanu's co-defendants. However, in February 2018, the then trial judge Binta Nyako served the trial separating Mr. Kanu, who had flew Nigeria, from the other defendants. So the trial severance allowed the prosecution to continue proceedings against the 4 remaining co-defendants. So the Nigerian government rearrested Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya. How can I say adopted? The Nnamdi Kanu was adopted in Kenya in June 2021. Okay, but this abduction and his subsequent detention in the State Security Service custody in Abuja, since then, the case had been unable to proceed trial. So, my people, now here we will drop out for here. For now, drop your comment below the comment section. How you see that waiting happen for court? Okay, that yesterday, talking about the season of Nnamdi Kanu's in-laws phone and all that. I bet make we hear from you. Drop your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, make it go viral, so that Nigerians will understand what they happen today in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.